preparation was to play well the league. Unfortunately, we have been given a walkover. League is the #1 in the KCB. So tomorrow the team has prepared well for the league as well as this Eldoret City tournament. It's a problem. We have a problem. Losing Emma to Pipeline is a big blow to us because she knows all our system, and it's going to be difficult for us when she plays against us. So it's going to be difficult for our team. But we need, again, playing the one set is not very good. She will get tired, and the tournament is big. We have a lot of teams here. So we don't know. We need another setter urgently. Right now we borrowed a setter from who finished school last year. This year we finished Form 4. We are with her, but she has not understood our system. So we are going to rely on one set only, which is going to be very difficult for us. Esther Mutinda is a fighter, and I'm hopeful she's going to fight throughout this tournament, and she's likely to give us the victory at the end of the championship.
So far so good. The team is well prepared and ready for the tournament. We are very much ready for the league matches, but unfortunately our opponents did not show up. But we are just training and waiting for the tournament starting tomorrow. Being the national champions, each and every team is looking up to beat us, and as a team we are very well prepared for that. We know we are going to face challenges playing against each and every team, because each and every team will be coming knowing that we are playing the national champions. We are expecting to get tough challenges from the opponents, but as a team we are ready for everything. And as I said earlier, we have trained well as a team, and they are ready to face our opponents in the tournament.